Akashvani Imphal na miyamgidamak service tawrakpa chahi humfu mapung fabagi Diamond Jubilee celebration pangthokrai. Akashvani gi khongchat asida Akashvani Imphal gi official amadi staff kudimakna lisang sitna lauduna lakiba thodang aduna mirol kaya gi thajaningai oiba khonjel oire haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokrai. Akashvani Imphal na sinduna Imphal gi Palace compound da leiba City Convention Center da pangthokpa thoramaduda Governor Bhalla na Kumza lising amaga chamapan ga humfu humdoigi August 15 dagi haurakhiba Akashvani Imphal na state asigi miyam yauna malem gi mafam kayada harau nungaiba mahai masing I pau yauna hiram kayada paujel sandoktuna lakli masigi mathakta state asigi amadi leba asigi amatta oibagi saktam nat amasung culture gi pukai sing yokhattuna amasung kanduna thambada natana kunai asida amatta oina harau nungaiba amadi nungsi chanaba puraknabagidamak maruoba thodang lauri haiki Thoramaduda Mari Lainana Souvenir Amasu Governor na Fongki. Thoramaduda Akashvani gi Director General Rajiv Kumar Jain, Akashvani North East Zone gi Additional Director General Satyajit Das, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel, Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai, Art and Culture gi Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash amadi Akashvani Imphal gi official amadi staff sing yauna miyoi kyana sarukyaki. Thoramaduda Saknai Rabi folk singer Mangka Mayanglambam Travel folk artist Padma Shri Guru Ruben yauna artist kaya na natamasung culture ga mari lenaba thoram sing utki.
Akashvani Imphal has completed 60 years of service. I understand it made its humble beginning on 15th August 1963 actually within the Raj Bhavan complex, and then Akashvani Imphal has grown into a vital institution and informs, educates and entertains people across Manipur and now across the world also. As we celebrate 60 years of Akashvani Imphal, let's reaffirm our shared commitment to truth, balance and harmony. May Akashvani continue to be the voice that unites, educates and inspires generations to come.